Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your credit freeze using Experian freeze tools, complete guide step by step clearly. To update your credit freeze using Experian freeze tools, start by visiting the Experian website. Locate the credit freeze section on the homepage. If you already have a credit freeze in place, log into your Experian account with your credentials. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one by providing your personal information. Once logged in, navigate to the Manage Credit Freeze option. Here, you will find options to update or temporarily lift your freeze. To update your credit freeze, select the appropriate link. You may be asked to verify your identity through security questions. Once your identity is confirmed, choose the new freeze settings you wish to apply. Review all details carefully before proceeding. After confirming your changes, submit the updates. You'll receive a confirmation via email once your credit freeze has been successfully updated. If you prefer to update your freeze via phone, call Experian's customer service. Follow the automated prompts to reach the credit freeze department. Be prepared to provide your personal information for identity verification. After verification, notify the representative of your desired updates. They will help you through the process. For added security, keep your PIN or password secure and accessible. Once the update is complete, monitor your credit report regularly for any changes. Updating your credit freeze is a simple process but crucial for your financial security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.